Hi. Good evening. Show your hands. No.
Good evening.
Okay. This is gonna be our first official video about me and my son and our family, me, my wife, and my son's journey making a Pokédex binder.
It's just his journey, so.
Alright, so a Pokédex binder for the people na nagsa-start pa lang is a kind of a challenge wherein you will collect all the Pokemons. Currently, I believe there are 1,025. I'm not sure. Pero almost 1,000 plus na sila. So you need to start from Generation 1, which is currently, we are missing 5, I believe, in our...
Four.
No, mute. See, let's count. We need Nidoking. What's next? Next is Golem.
That's two.
That's 2. You count Nak.
Yep.
Who's next? Dodrio.
Dodrio.
That's 3.
Finally, Mew.
Gengar, 4. And I believe one more is Mew. So that's how many Nak? That's 5. There. So Mew. For me to complete Generation 1. And the challenge also is, part of the challenge is hindi kami pwede or we cannot move on to the next generation until we finish the current generation, which is as of now, we're finishing Generation 1. And then after that, once it's already complete, then we can proceed to Generation 2 and so on and so forth. So, that's a Pokédex Binder Challenge. And, hi Gengar and hi Pikachu. Touch them, Nak, for good luck. There. Gengar.
Gengar, big forehead.
Yeah, big four-headed Gengar.
Also the Ash Ketchum.
And the Ash Ketchum hat. Who gave that? Is it
Tito Gian.
Tito Gian?
Full C-mode move.
Yeah, they can't see that. There. So I'll just put it there na lang. Okay, so last night, I went to Green Hills Promenade with my wife. And
We bought a lot. They
I,
bought a lot of stuff.
I actually bought some stuff in there to give, of course, to my son.
Thank you.
So I want to start off with this one. It's a freebie. I think it's a mystery pack or mystery package from Leia's Catch. So guys, follow them. They're online transactions only, but they're now trying to, go to card events.
Shout out to Leia's Catch.
Yeah, shout out Leia's Catch and thank you for the freebies. Actually, the freebies na binigay nila last night was this. Our first ever magnetic case. So you guys know na ang magnetic case protects our hits. So I'll put it here. Thank you, Leia's Catch.
Just like top loaders.
Yeah, but top loaders, they're kind of soft, right?
Yeah.
But the magnetic case, they're really hard.
What?
You can't bend them. So thank you, Leia's Catch. Appreciate it. Now I want my son to open this and let's see what's inside. So, Nak, go ahead. Open it. There. Here. There.
Alright.
Should always be in the center.
This.
Let's see what's inside. What's inside?
Pokemon freebie. It's Hey, what's this? It says thank you so much for your purchase. So it says thank you so much for your purchase, and inside of the freebie card is if it's something for your pocket. So let's see what it is. It's a
What's that? We don't know. But thank you for the free card.
Thank you very much. You'll need this in Galar. I know it's in Galar. Or maybe Hoenn. We'll put this on the side. Now here we got
What's that?
Leia's Catch Collector Shield. Premium trading Card sleeves, ultra clear.
Oh, it's a sleeve. Thank you, Leia. Scratch again.
We'll put it here. Then here we got hey, Togepi!
Pokemon stickers.
Pokemon stickers. Here, what's this? It's Poliwhirl badge!
Poliwhirl badge. Nice.
Yeah. And inside of it, it's just candies.
Okay, what will you say to Leia Scratch?
Thank you, Leia Sketch. Appreciate it.
Okay. So recap, we got this cool freebie. There.
I think it's our forestry.
There. So we'll put it here. Then
The Poliwhirl badge.
Poliwhirl badge. And the yeah, I think it's a sticker. Cute Togepi.
So let's
And
go.
some candies. Curly tops and flat tops. I'll put it there. And then again, thank you so much for your purchase. Leia Sketch, thank you for the freebies. Let's put it here. And also, there, the sleeves. Ultra clear sleeves for the card.
They look a bit unclear. But thank you very much.
Oh, almost forgot.
The sticker.
Sticker from Leia Sketch again. Let's put it out.
Put it with Togepi.
There. All the trash should be there on one side.
Okay.
Alright, so first, before anything else,
We got some freebies, right?
I bought some cards in the CardCon
We got
event.
Nidoking. You
And
need that.
these are the top 5 or the last 5 cards that I need to complete Generation 1. So we got Nidoking,
Yes.
Golem, yes, Gengar,
Dodger.
Dodrio.
Huh?
Oh, this is a freebie.
Can I have that?
Yeah, that's yours.
Okay.
And lastly, Mewtwo. You can see the
It's
price.
Mew.
Oh, sorry, Mew. You can see the price. Let's remove the price.
Just turn the sleeve around.
No, we need to remove it. Oh.
Oh. Pikachu.
There. So as you can see, we now have all 5 missing Generation 1 Pokemon cards. Now, I want my son to,
Sort them.
have the privilege to finish our Generation 1 Pokédex binder journey.
Oh, it's heavy.
Oh, you'll be the one to put them on. So first, let's put Nidoking. There. Get Nidoking. Does it have a sleeve? Is it rare? So that's a rare one. So we need to sleeve it up. So that's another part of the challenge. We sleeve up rare ones.
And it's pre-bent.
Okay, sleeve it up. Show it in the camera. Okay, nice one. Nidoking goes here.
Very tight. It's very tight.
There. One down. Then next is going to be...
I believe Gengar.
Yeah, I think so. No, it's Golem. Get him.
Golem. It already has a sleeve.
Yeah, it has a sleeve na.
It's an EX.
Yeah, it's an EX. I think that's 50 pesos.
Ah. It won't fit. Thanks, Dad.
Nice. Looks cool too. And who's next? Oh, Dodrio. Yeah, I got a hard time with this one. I was quick story. I was already on my way out of the event. Then there was this last vendor and I just asked if she got a Dodrio and luckily I got it. And it also is Blaine's Dodrio.
Is he a normal or flying?
Yeah, he's a flying, normal flying. Next is, my god, another super hard card to find. Gengar. Now we need to change the sleeve.
It's actually a board. Ooh, it's cute.
I got it in a free playing card sleeve.
But remember, we don't play cards.
Yeah.
We
Put
collect
it
them.
here. I'll be the one to slide Gengar.
That it looks like the one for my plushie.
Yes. Look. Just leave it there. Nice. One more to go.
And it's Mew.
And it's
Mew.
Mew. Now I want my son to finish this generation 1. But is it rare?
It looks like it looks like first edition.
Oh, I didn't notice it.
Wow.
It's a promo card.
Promo?
Nice.
Nice.
Looks good too. Finish it for us, Nak.
That last Pokemon for the binder, and then we can finally move on to Gen 2. Boom!
There. Boom. Now we're done with Generation 1. So there. Every Pokemon from Generation 1 has been collected. Nice word. Has been collected.
Or have been caught.
Yeah, we have got all 151 Generation 1 Pokemons. And now we are going to be moving on to Gen 2.
Did I have a deck that I made for Gen 2?
Yeah, I got all scrambled. Okay, so that's for the Pokédex binder. Thank you, Gengar and Pikachu.
And also we got the skeleton.
And also this free Skelly Dirge. Let's put it here with Gengar first.
My starter.
Aside from that, I was able to get some art.
Toppies.
I got 3 art rares.
Wait, what? I have that card!
Yeah. We now have 2 Toxtricity,
But mine is English.
Gothita. This is Gothita, right?
Yeah.
And Ludicolo. Looks sick.
Ludicolo!
Yeah. So 3 cards, and this will go to my son's binder, of course. Yeah. Put it there.
I can replace my Ludicolo.
Aside from that, oh, hold on.
Some free top loaders? Or
Yeah, they're free.
we can have a price. Aside from that, we also got free top.
I got also some freebies.
Ooh!
Korean packs.
Remember I got that God pack in Trick or Trade?
Now, my son knows I'm a big fan of Mewtwo, so I'm gonna open this one, and I'll have him open this 4. Okay?
Okay.
Now,
Who's
to open first, I'll open Team Rocket first, of course.
Okay.
I don't know what the chase cards are for Korean.
It's the same one as in English.
Yeah, not really sure. But,
Careful.
let's try. I mess it up.
Do this so you can put the other cards in this small slot. It will stay in there.
There.
That's a quick tip.
This only have 5 cards in it. I'm not sure if there are any card tricks, but let's see. Team Rocket's Nidorina,
Jinx. Mankey.
Mankey,
Shing!
Chingling.
Ooh.
Oh!
EX.
EX. Yeah, it's an EX.
Told ya.
Whoa, who's this?
Abrolive?
And an Arcanine. So we got a
Abro-
double rare.
I think the name's Abrolive?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
Let me check the powder and binder. The powder and
So let's leave this up. Not bad, we got a hit. And it's also free, so, you know, better than nothing. Let's put it here. Now it's my son's turn to open.
Doesn't rivals. There. Hard. I think I got it. There.
I think the card trick, Nak, you should put this there.
1.
Yeah, 1 card trick. There.
Got Ethan. got Squovet Arvins. Cynthia's
Rose Raid.
Rosalia. Onita and what up?
Ooh! Mistis Gyarados. Not bad. I think for Korean packs, you are guaranteed a hit. I'm not sure.
Oni and Deluxe EX.
Nice. Looks cool too.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, one more pack.
I'm doing.
Hey, that's mine.
What?
That's mine. Gengar.
Same one.
Mm-hmm. Okay, go.
Let's open. What? What?
Hey, what? That's weird. Why is it in English?
I experienced that before. That's weird.
Let's try the card trick again.
It's not in English.
Yeah, it's all English. That's weird. Ah, okay. They're not.
Ooh! Oh! God pack! God pack!
It's not a god
God
pack.
pack!
How do you know it's a god pack?
Master Ball!
How you try? No, it's not.
Oh! I saw this pack. Good.
Is the
So
Absol?
I have the mega.
Miss Magius.
Oh, come on.
Ooh. Infernape.
It's Annihilate.
Oh, Annihilate.
Kaleidoscope Hollow.
Nice.
It's weird I got two God packs from the same pack.
I'm not sure if there are god packs.
There is God packs.
No, I meant if they're really called god pack. So we got a Pokeball and a Master Ball. Yeah, Master Ball and Pokeball.
And also this thing. I don't know.
No, it's
how to
just
call
normal.
it.
Just a hollow. Ooh.
Oh.
Let's leave them up.
It's actually pretty cool how many hits we got. We already got 4. Oh wait, we have like 7. Alright, I'm feeling lucky for Temporal Forces. Oh wait, oh wow, there's a little dent where we can open it.
No, it's not.
Oh wait, it did open.
Oh, there it did. But it
It can damage the cards, right?
Yeah.
Well, why is it in English again? Okay, one.
Relicanth.
Ekans. Chatot.
Chatot.
Mudbray. And a brand mud. Keldeo.
No hits, but it's fine.
At least we got a God pack.
And then I'll open this one. I forgot what's the counterpart for this in English.
It's Destined Rivals.
Is it?
Yep.
You're good.
Yeah, JC Big gave it to me.
Okay, card trick.
Card trick.
Let's see what we got.
Ethan.
Ooh, there's something here. Ethan.
And Ethan. Lapras.
Mistis Lapras.
Tauros.
Tauros.
Applin.
Applin
I have it in
and-
English. Ooh.
A rare only, but... Oh,
Rosary.
Cynthia's Rose Raid. Okay. As our rule, all rares, they get sleeved.
That's actually pretty cool. We got
Yeah.
a lot of hits already.
Okay, so let's
Listen.
check the hits before we move on. So we have Cynthia's Rose Raid, a Master Ball,
Master Ball
Absol, a Pokeball, who's this?
Big Doggo Grave.
Yeah. And Annihilate,
Kaleidoscope.
Mistis Gyarados,
Hollow.
the freebie Skeledirge, and again, we forgot the name.
Abroliva.
Yeah, I don't know. Not bad.
Not bad for Koreans.
And lastly, I also bought
Some blisters. They're
not
called
just one, but 3 of them.
I know it.
And we're hoping to get the what's the chase card here?
Gold, Lucario, and all of them might be gold. Gardevoir.
Gardevoir, the gold Gardevoir, the gold Lucario, and a Charizard. Okay, so
No, that was in Phantasmal.
okay, so I'll pick, of course, I'm on oldie. I'll go for Venusaur.
Venusaur is starter, right?
Yep. Let's see what's inside. This is our first time opening
No, it's not.
a blister.
It's not our first time.
This one, this kind of
Oh yeah.
thing. Ooh, it's thick.
What do you mean it's not? It has the wedges.
Thick, I said.
What do you mean fake? Thick.
Let's open it. Oh, other side.
They say the thicker the pack, the more cards they put it in.
Let's pray.
Yeah.
Gengar, bless us.
And also Pikachu.
And Pikachu, sorry, forgot.
We can't leave out Pikachu.
Okay.
Pikachu.
Gold card. Oh,
Wrong way.
yeah, let's put it there. Not sure with the card trick here.
I think it's 4.
Energy. Oh,
Energy.
move. Let's move here. So we can put the pile here. Energy.
Score buddy!
Score Bunny. We need all the cards now because we're moving to Gen 2.
I think I actually need
Tinkatuff.
No, I do.
Nuzleaf.
Tyrogue.
Stunjourner.
First of his
Vitality.
Volcanion.
Mega Signal.
Stuffle.
And a
Dialga.
rare Dialga. Not bad.
Not bad.
Sleeve up. So there. That's the first one.
For Pikachu.
Next.
Of course, I'm going with the Golden Mega Lucario. And we got another Lucario for good luck. Thick. Yep, it's here. Yeah. My God, my hands are so small. We got Heliolisk. Corfish, Tangela, Sandshrew, Cool Art, Inteleon, Stranger Timepiece, Shuckle, Mantine, pretty cool hollow, Heliolisk again, and ooh! Another rare Dialga. Oh, why is there more? Oh, there it is.
Just a rare Dialga.
We have another rare Dialga. Where did energies go? Here?
Just put it there.
Okay.
From Liacrow, Malas. Last pack.
Kangaskhan.
Yeah, Mega. It's Mega.
I know.
The baby's there.
The baby's cute, but it's not Mega.
Okay, let's see. Last pack. Ooh! Weird. Kangaskhan and a Lucario. Kangaskhan was the blister. Lucario was the pack. Maybe it's a sign
It's a sign that
we'll get a hit.
good.
Yeah. Don't know. Let's see. Last pack magic.
Last pack magic. Should I open it or should I keep it sealed?
Let's
You know
provide. Yeah. Code card.
Code card. Guessing
Card
energy is fighting.
Oh, you wanna guess the energy?
Yeah, it's fighting.
Okay,
How about
mine is
you?
going to be electric. And toink.
Ah! Water!
Water energy. We failed.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Nuzleaf. Sandslash. Abra. Switch. Golden Go. Premium Power Pro. Grumpig. Magnezone. If it's the Kadabra. What? Ooh.
Oh my God!
If it's an EX. Yep, it's an.
Oh! What's in there?
Make it so they can see.
Huh?
Make it so they can see.
It is near.
It's a big thing. Good.
Charan!
Mega
Oy!
Venusaur. That was a sign.
Nice!
Do you want to replace your other Venusaur?
Remember, not all, from my Pokédex binder, it should be like this art lang. But for full arts, you know, this
They're going
kind...
to me.
No. Okay, you can have them. Nice!
That's actually quite cool.
Oh my God. Look how cool it is.
We're gonna check the
Yeah,
Price?
later. We'll check the price.
in collector.
My God.
Yeah, that's a cool art. Imagine if it was Gary's. This Gary on a
And it
Venusaur?
looks good. Centering looks good as well. So sad we can't have it graded. No funds yet. But then again, not bad.
Not bad.
Thank you, Gengar, for the Mega Venusaur EX. So there. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.